slime's attacking me.
What's going on, guys? And welcome back to the Slimeatory.
Oh, wow.
Alright, guys, so today I'm your mad, beautiful mother,
Jenna.
and today we're going to be making 4 giant and colorful slimes. So, guys, they just came out with these crazy color glue slimes. They are awesome, although they are a little rippy and a little sticky. But I like them. They look really, really cool, and honestly, I like them a little more than Elmer's color glue. And also, if you don't know who the heck I am, I'm Ameerah. Hi, it rhymes with Shakira. Make sure you press the subscribe button because...
Shakira?
Yes, Ameerah Shakira.
Okay.
Make sure you press the subscribe button. Make sure you know what? I'm gonna make a little challenge today. Okay? Okay. Try to press the subscribe button with your nose.
Ooh, that must be hard.
Like that. I don't think you can do that, Mom. Can you do it?
I don't know, my nose is not very big.
Okay, we're gonna see if my mom can press the subscribe button with her nose. You have to press right there. Do it, do it, do it. No, do it again. One more try. Mom, you're going too up. Just do it one more time. Go, go. Ah, she did it! You guys tried to do
The bell.
Oh yeah, the bell too. Make sure you press that bell.
I'm gonna unsubscribe.
Extra points if you can press. Oh, she did it, guys! Okay, you guys make sure you comment down below if you can do it. And also make sure the like button challenge today. What is the like button challenge? How about you guys press the like button challenge and the subscribe button in 5 seconds. See if you guys can do it.
Ready,
I don't think I can do that. That was really quick, but you are pretty good at it, so yeah. But let's get straight on into the video. Yo! Okay, so let's get the first gallon. I'm gonna do blue.
I'm gonna do pink.
Okay, let's race, Mom. Go, go, go.
I didn't know this was a race.
Yeah. It's always a race.
All of it?
Yes. These are a lot harder to get out.
I'm tired already.
Elmer's. I win! Yay! Team Ameerah. Team Ameerah. Okay, how cool that looks,
10
guys.
hours later.
I think we're ready to put the activator. I don't think we really have to put any food coloring because, I mean... You ready to put the activator? Actually, a lot. Okay, that's a lot.
Ew, that looks ugly.
Okay.
Ameerah, that's old.
It does look pretty gross. It looks like the inside of somebody's stomach.
Ew, look at this, guys. It looks, ugh.
It looks, ugh. I love this slime. The texture of it is amazing. It's like super soft. Okay, more.
Well, the color is very pretty.
Yeah, the color is really pretty. I like the color.
All right, mine's done.
I don't think it's done.
Hold on. I win, you lose. What do you mean this is not done? Look, it's gorgeous. It's amazing. Look at that.
Well, I mean, it looks pretty cool, but it's not done.
Look.
I love having slime, like when it's not all the way activated. You go like this, it looks really cool.
Are you trying to say that mine's not all activated?
No.
It's pretty activated. Look at that.
Okay, it's activated, but it's not needed.
It's gorgeous. Can I do that?
Yes, guys, look at how pretty this is. It's so blue. And it's like
really?
a pretty blue.
I thought it was yellow.
Really? That's weird, because it's blue.
Pretty yellow to me.
It's so heavy.
I think mine might need more. Ameerah, behave.
Just trying to get my slime to need. Jeez, Mommy did not put enough at all.
No, I just realized it.
Your phone's gonna become slime, Mom.
Yeah, you didn't tell me I was gonna have to exercise. You said, Mom, come and make a slime video with me.
That's the secret to all the slime videos. How do you think I'm such in good shape?
Oh, you invite me to all of your fun videos then.
I almost smacked myself in the face with the slime.
Okay, I quit.
I'm almost done, guys.
I quit.
You can't quit, Mom. You're in a contract.
I don't do contracts, Ameerah.
Well, you did already. They did. Yes, you did. I love Crazy Art slime because of how soft it is. It's so nice. Okay, I'm all done, guys.
Ameerah?
What?
My hands are stuck.
Okay, I think you need more activator, Mom. Here you go. Ah! Guys, my slime is all done. Look at it. Yes.
I think this slime's attacking me. Oh. Ameerah, you're taking my slime.
The slime's attacking me. I insist. Look at that. Mom, your slime isn't attacking you. It's just sticky. Guys, look at how pretty that is. Ooh, it actually turned out to a really pretty color, guys. Okay, you done, Mom? Yet? Are you done yet?
I don't know. Ask this slime.
Guys, my slime is so nice and soft.
My slime, it's been attacking me.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with her slime. Hers is like really firm.
Excuse me?
What?
That's my slime. Thank you. Would you like if I take your slime? Ooh, your slime's nice. How come your slime's soft and nice?
I don't know.
Well, I'm keeping this slime.
No. Fine. Okay, let's do some ASMR right now. I go first.
Wait, what?
Here it is, guys. It's really, really, really nice. It is super like, I don't know how to explain it, like soft, and it's like really slimy. The slime is slimy.
Maybe because it's slime.
No, it is so nice. Do you guys see how like soft it is? Mine is really nice. I love the color, and it's super stretchy, kind of. It rips though, I don't know. It's like stretchy and rippy at the same time. It's weird. Okay, you can go, Mom.
Okay. My slime is very pink, and I'm not sure if it's okay because it's been attacking me all this time, but it seems like it's got nicer.
Yours is nice. It's weird, guys.
It got nicer.
These actually all have different textures.
It got nicer, Ameerah.
I think the pink is more firm, and then the blue is more kind of soft.
It's very pretty.
And then the green is more slimy.
Right.
And the purple, I don't know about the purple. Okay, it's time for the next one, guys. This time I'll be making some green slime. I want the green slime. No. Okay, I'll be making the purple slime, and she's gonna be making the green slime. So let's go.
Which one am I doing?
Go.
Which one am I? Ameerah!
I'm done. Oh yeah.
No, you're not. There's still more.
Ameerah. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add the activator. I know that seems like a lot, but this stuff needs a lot, okay?
Seems like a lot, but it is a lot.
Yeah.
The green is so pretty.
Yeah, that's not really why I wanted it. I wanted it because it has a nice texture.
Cheater. Guys, hashtag cheater to Ameerah.
Okay, we got more activator, guys.
I think I need more.
I'll bet you I'll finish first.
Whatever.
Ooh, purple's actually a really, really pretty color, guys. They need better bottles because if the color looks horrible when it's, well, that's not horrible, but I don't really like the colors that much when they're in the bottle, but when they're out the bottle, they'll look beautiful.
See how pretty? I'm done.
You're not
Ameerah,
done,
Look.
2,000 years later.
Okay, I think I'm done with mine. I can do some ASMR. I go first. Oh, yeah.
See, this slime didn't attack me. It's nicer.
Yeah. This green slime is like thicker.
It's so pretty. This green slime is like thicker. That's what Ameerah said. Okay, here goes my cringy ASMR, Ameerah.
Oh, God.
Watch it.
Great. Mom ASMR. Can you do like FNC time? Oh my God, that's even worse. I need to do a video on teaching you how to do ASMR part 2 because apparently you didn't learn the first time.
You think you know it all, huh, Ameerah?
Yeah, I know everything, Mom. Go ahead, ask me a question.
What's 1,688 plus 837?
3.
How did you know?
I'm very smart. Okay, my turn. Go.
That's why I'm so proud of you.
Okay, here's my Mom.
Has ice.
Here's mine, guys. Really nice. Okay, mine is really soft like the other one again.
Yeah, what do you do different?
Really nice. I don't know.
Not fair.
This one's so nice, guys. Yeah. Hey, look at that bubble. How much do you like doing this video with me?
I loved it.
Really?
After the attack?
Because
I mean,
you did not seem like you liked it. You were,
well, first, the pink slime, you gotta admit, it was attacking me.
Yeah.
So yeah, I was gonna like, oh my God, I don't wanna do this anymore. But then this one was like super sweet. And then the pink one got really sweet also, nice.
Yeah.
So I'm happy.
Well, I think this was really nice. I love this crazy art slime. Like, it is really, really nice. Like, I like the green and the blue the most, I'm gonna have to say. Like, their textures are, the colors. So, yeah. Okay, well, you guys, make sure you go down below if you like this video. And if you want me to do another one where I do, like, a slime smoothie. Or if I do, like, even more. Or mix them. I don't know. You guys comment down below. And make sure you press the subscribe button and the like button. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much. And I really hope to see you guys next time. Bye!